Alright folks, let's kick things off with crypto today, specifically focusing on Bitcoin today as of February 27th, 2025. The latest price for Bitcoin, BTC, is hovering around $85,500, give or take a few $100 depending on the exchange you're eyeballing. This figure comes from posts on X and whispers across the Crypto News Today channels, showing BTC's been on a roller coaster this week. We're talking a dip from its high of $109,350 back in January, and it's got the market buzzing with Bitcoin analysis today. Analysts are pointing to a mix of macroeconomic jitters like US tariff talks and a hefty $1.4 billion Ether hack tied to North Korea's Lazarus Group, shaking things up. BTC's down about 12% since Monday, landing it in bear territory, which is a big shift from the Trump-fueled euphoria we saw post-election. Crypto banter on X is split. Some say it's a buying dip, others are screaming, "Don't touch it yet." The Bitcoin news today is all about watching if it holds above $84,000 or plunges further. For BTC price prediction, optimists still see $100,000 by year-end if the Fed cuts rates. But the short-term vibe, cautious as hell. Now let's zoom into Bitcoin analysis today because there's a lot to unpack with BTC's current moves. At $85,500, it's sitting just above a key support level that traders are obsessing over, around $84,200, per posts on X and crypto market update reports. If it breaks below, we could see it slide to $80,000 or lower, a level not hit since early November 2024. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is flashing fearful, which ties into the Bitcoin news today about massive liquidations, over $1.340 billion in the last few days, wiping out 367,500 traders. Bitcoin analysis suggests this sell-off's tied to fading institutional demand and tariff threats from Trump's camp spooking risk assets. Satoshi stalker types, those die-hard hodlers, are still preaching stack the dips. But the charts aren't pretty. Momentum's bearish, with continuation candles signaling seller control. Crypto today feels like a tug-of-war between panic and hope, and BTC's fate hinges on tomorrow's core PCE inflation data. Shifting gears to Ethereum, ETH part of this Crypto Today convo, and it's not looking much cheerier. As of right now, February 27th, 2025, Ethereum's trading at about $2,325, down roughly 6% from yesterday based on X posts and Crypto News Today snippets. It's been a rough week for ETH, shedding value alongside BTC as the crypto market update paints a gloomy picture. The Bybit hack fallout, $1.4 billion in ETH stolen, hasn't helped, even though the exchange claims assets are backed. Ethereum sitting at a session low compared to its $2,500 mark earlier this week, and the chatter on crypto banter channels is all about whether it'll hold $2,300. Hinting at more downside if BTC keeps tanking. Still, some X users are calling this another chance to enter the market, classic bull optimism in a bear storm. Let's talk XRP news today because Ripple's token is hanging in there better than some altcoins. XRP's price as of today, February 27th, 2025, is around $2.20, down about 5% from yesterday per crypto market update posts on X. Unlike BTC and ETH, XRP is showing a bit of resilience. Crypto News Today highlights $38,300,000 in inflows this week while others bleed out. XRP News has traders eyeing the $2 level as a floor, with Fibonacci retracement analysis suggesting it's down but not out. Crypto banter on X has XRP fans hyping a potential rally to $2.72 if it finds support, maybe even $3.40 by mid-March. The broader Crypto Today sell-off sparked by tariff fears and the Bybit mess hit XRP too, but its payments-focused use case keeps some bulls. Still, it's a shaky market and XRP's tied to BTC's hip for now. Cardano News Times House ADA holding up on February 27, 2025. Well, Cardano's sitting at about $0.64 today per X posts tracking crypto prices. That's a drop of around 20% over the past week, aligning with the Crypto Today narrative of altcoins getting hammered harder than BTC. Cardano news hasn't been splashy, unlike XRP's inflows. ADA's caught in the meme coin fallout and broader risk-off vibe. Crypto market update reports say it's bleeding alongside Solana and Dogecoin with no big catalyst to lift it. Cardano analysis today shows it's testing support near $0.60. Break that and $0.50 in play. Satoshi stacker vibes aren't strong here. ADA hodlers are quieter than BTC's crew. Crypto news today pegs it as a victim of the market's sour mood, but its tech-focused community might still see long-term hope. Back to Bitcoin today, let's dig deeper into what's driving this $85,500 price tag on February 27, 2025. Bitcoin. Bitcoin news today is buzzing about US spot BTC ETFs, seeing a $755 million outflow this week, one of the biggest ever. That's a gut punch after Jeff Kendrick from Standard Chartered warned of a market drop, and he was right. Bitcoin analysis today ties this to Trump's tariff talk spooking investors, plus a consumer confidence plunge rattling risk assets. Crypto banter on X has traders debating if $84,000 holds or if we're headed for a nightmare Fed-driven crash. BTC price prediction ranges wild. Some say $200,000 in 2025 if Trump's reserve plan kicks in. Others see $70,000 first. Crypto today feels like a pressure cooker and BTC's the main dish. Ethereum deserves another look. ETH at $2,325 isn't just a number, it's a story. On February 27, 2025, Crypto News Today ties its slide to the Bybit hack draining confidence, with 20190 BTC also pulled from the exchange's reserves since Friday. ETH's down 3% today per X posts, and crypto market update stats show $94 million in ETF outflows too. Ethereum analysis today flags a bearish RSI, hinting at more pain if BTC doesn't rebound. Crypto banter's got ETH bulls clinging to hopes of a $2,500 bounce, but the vibe's grim. Crypto today paints ETH as a sidekick to BTC's lead, and right now, the leader's stumbling. Still, some X chatter sees this as a dip to stacker. Satoshi stacker energy in a quiet corner. XRP news today deserves a second pass. $2.20 on February 27, 2025 is a lifeline in this storm. Crypto market update posts on X note XRP's bucking the trend with inflows while BTC and ETH bleed. XRP news highlights its drop from $2.72 earlier this month, but it's not cratering like Solana's memecones. Crypto banter has XRP fans hyping its utility, payments king in a sea of speculation. XRP analysis today sees $2 as a psychological floor. Hold that and $2.50 next. Crypto today shows altcoins splitting. XRP's got grit where others flop, still it's tethered to BTC's fate, and Bitcoin news today isn't inspiring confidence. Cardano news again, ADA at $0.64 on February 27, 2025 feels the altcoin squeeze. Crypto today has it lumped with Solana and Dogecoin, down 20% in a week per X posts. Cardano analysis today shows no big news to prop it up, just market fallout from BTC's woes and memecoin busts. Crypto market update reports say it's hovering above $0.60 support, but sentiment's weak. Cardano news lacks the spark of XRP's inflows or ETH's hack drama. Crypto banter on X is muted. ADA's not the hot topic. Satoshi stacker vibes might push long-term faith, but short-term, it's bleeding with the pack. Crypto news today pegs it as a sleeper, waiting for a catalyst. Bitcoin analysis today lets triple down on BTC at $85,500, February 27, 2025. Crypto news today flags a 21% drop from its all-time high, officially a bear market. X posts show traders licking wounds after $1,340 million in liquidations. Longs got crushed. Bitcoin news today ties this to Trump's tariff noise and a Bybit hack ripple effect. BTC price prediction splits. Bullseye $100,000 if Fed cuts ease up. Bears see $70,000 if inflation data tanks tomorrow. Crypto banters a mix of panic and buy the dip bravado. Crypto today's all about BTC leading the charge or the fall. Analysis says $84,000 the line in the sand. Ethereum's turn again. ETH at $2,325 on February 27, 2025, is a mirror to BTC's pain. Crypto market update posts on X peg it down 6% today, with ETH ETFs bleeding $94 million. Ethereum analysis today shows bearish momentum. RSI's dipping and $2,300 the next test. Crypto news today ties it to the Bybit hack and broader risk-off moves. ETH bulls on X cling to stacking hopes, but the vibes dour. Crypto banter's quieter here. ETH's not stealing BTC's thunder. Crypto today has ETH as a loyal follower, syncing with the king. Still, some see $2,500 if BTC turns. XRP news today.